To enable your Fifth Third Bank routing number, follow these steps. First, understand what a routing number is, which is a unique 9-digit code used to identify a bank and its location. Fifth Third Bank's routing number is usually 041002711, but it may vary depending on your location. To find your specific routing number, you can check the bottom left corner of your checks, look at your bank statement, or visit the Fifth Third Bank website. Once you have your routing number, you can use it for various transactions such as direct deposits, automatic payments, and wire transfers. To enable your routing number for direct deposit, provide your employer with your routing number and account number. For automatic payments, give your routing number and account number to the company you are paying. For wire transfers, you will need to provide the sender with your routing number, account number, and other details. When providing your routing number, make sure to double-check the numbers to avoid any errors. Also, keep in mind that routing numbers are specific to each bank and location, so using the wrong routing number can cause delays or issues with your transactions. In addition, you can also use the Fifth Third Bank online banking platform or mobile app to manage your accounts and enable your routing number for various transactions. This platform allows you to easily access your account information, pay bills, and transfer funds. By following these steps and understanding how to use your Fifth Third Bank routing number, you can easily manage your finances and make transactions smoothly. Remember to always keep your account information and routing number secure to avoid any potential issues.